here is my last go for the Oasis Challenge, the Oasis Swirl for the Soap Challenge Club for May, and I just finished doing the gradient pour for this. So when I've done these batches, this is my 4th try for this swirl, I've done 2 lobes, one with the Oasis and the other one with just a regular gradient swirl, or a gradient pour rather. And I wanted to give this one more go because my last one, the fragrance accelerated. So using the same colors and everything for this, so I'm using the same utensils. I'm going to be using Star Showers from Nurture Soap Supply. I've used this before, and actually in the batch I just did, it didn't go as slow as I remember it when I had tried it years ago, but it still worked pretty good. The first batch that I did, actually the first 2, so the Lemon Bar and then the Black Raspberry Vanilla, those 2 fragrances work perfectly for that. So the other 2, and then this one, hopefully it'll go a little bit better than the last batch, but it didn't accelerate like the Blueberry Thyme did. Anyway, the colors I'm going to be using, I'm doing a little bit more colors this time, and I'm going to be using, let's see, Orchid Mica from Brambleberry, Caribbean Blue from Brambleberry, Kermit Green, again from Brambleberry. I have Activated Charcoal from Essential Depot. I'm going to be using, let's see, the gold is, I think it's, I don't have the packet. It's a Shimmering Light Gold Mica from Wholesale Supplies, Crafter's Choice. And then I have some Potent Purple Mica from Nurture that I'm going to be doing like a little oil drizzle in. This one does morph in cold process if you mix it in, but if you do an oil drizzle, it'll still stay that purple. So I'm going to try doing that. I'm going to be doing, the other ones I had done just a gradient with natural colored soap or uncolored soap, and I'm going to be trying to do it to a black this time. So going from, I'll have the purple and the blue as the 2 colors on the side, and my goal is to have that go from the bright color and then going to a darker color. The middle will be the green, the gold, and uncolored, and then the purple mica. So I'll have 3 different colors in there, and I think we're ready to go. Let's get started. this one will turn out okay. It did start to accelerate on me, which is disappointing. I was worried that that might happen. So I don't have really the swirl look on top, but I was surprised when I took it out of the mold. I did have it on the bottom. So I had 2 other batches that the swirls came through really well, and the bottoms look like this, and that's what it's supposed to do. But when I was moving the batter around, I could definitely feel some thick parts. So this is like the 4th one. The 3rd one I did, just the blueberry tie, and that set up too much. But this one, kind of halfway, so I'm not quite sure what I'm going to expect on the inside, what we're going to see. But hopefully we'll have some neat swirls in there. It smells amazing. The bottom looks really cool, and you can see the blue gradient into the black as well as the purple into the black worked really well. I'm just hoping that the swirls come through like they're supposed to. If not, it'll still be a cool soap. So let's go ahead and cut it open. It didn't do what it was supposed to do, but they're still actually pretty cool looking. So I've got the nice gradient there from the purple to the dark, and then the blue to the dark as well. And actually this one you can really see the gradient really well through there. So I didn't get the Oasis swirls that I was wanting, but it's still really kind of cool looking. So they turned out neat, not what I was going for, but still really turned out cool.